Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a sticky or dirty idle control valve and it's time to clean it? If you're experiencing rough idle, starts and stalling, low RPM, and it feels like your engine is barely running at the stop sign, this could be a sign that your idle control is dirty, and again, you should clean it. This is the idle control, and it is a simple stepper motor, and basically it has this pin tool over here which extend and retract, and it basically allow air to bypass the throttle at idle. That way this will keep your engine running at idle. When the idle control is dirty and when it is full of carbon buildup, this pin tool here cannot extend or retract properly, and again this will affect idle. Cleaning the idle control is very simple. All you need is carburetor cleaner or throttle body cleaner, and all you need to do is just spray it on the pin tool and on the inside, and that will help remove the gunk, carbon buildup, and dirt, and the idle air control will become less sticky. Whatever you do, don't mess with this too much because this pin tool and the springs can pop right off. And since you have the idle control off, make sure you inspect the seal, because if the seal is cracked or worn or torn, this will cause a vacuum leak. After cleaning the idle control, by now you should experience smooth idle and steady RPM. If you want your idle control valve to last longer, all you need to do is change your air filter and make sure you change your engine oil on time. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.